Let's welcome in a very special management now. Prem Kishan Gupta at Gateway Distriparks, CMD at the company, is now with us. So thank you so much for taking out time for us. Recently, there has been an increase in price hike as far as Concor is concerned for some of their TEUs. Can you just tell us what does this mean in terms of overall realizations?
Good afternoon, Pankaj. Basically, see, this price hike has been because of the land lease which has been revised for Concor by the Indian Railways. Until last year, say up to March 2020, Concor was enjoying a special price for handling the TUs on railway land. But beginning 1st April, they are paying now land licensing fee as per market rates. So this has an impact on their cost. And because of that cost, now their profitability has hit considerably. So they are trying to jack up the price in the market. But it does not mean anything for the consumers because other ICTs or other private container train operators like us, we own our own land and we don't have that kind of fluctuation that railway land lease is there. So it is purely Concor trying to recover the land lease charge from the customers, but the market remains the same.
Right, but what does that mean for realization going ahead if you have to take a price hike?
Well, we won't be. We are happy with our revenue right now. So if minor tweaking is to be done, that will be done by the private train operators. But such steep hike of 5,000 will not go well with the customers, and it is purely Concor problem, because now they are paying, for instance, ICT Tughlakabad, which is valued at market rate is something around 20,000, 25,000 crores. I mean, for that alone, their revenue outflow on account of land lease is going to be substantial, But market is not prepared to give that kind of increase. So the business will spill over to the nearby ICTs.
All right. Sir, what about, what's your outlook on volumes from, the TKD terminal? If you could just share some outlook on that. There is this, the surcharge that has been levied. You mentioned that, it won't really change industry dynamics as such, but any outlook on volumes you can share with us?
The volumes have started coming back, and ICT Tughlakabad handles quite a big volume of 35,000 TEUs per month. But now there are options available on the periphery of Delhi, NCR region. So as far as the industry dynamics is concerned, Concor will have to see, whether the consumers are willing to pay this additional burden on the land licensing, which they have converted into a TU charge. But as I said, private container train operators own the land, and there is no such fluctuation over there.
Okay. All right. How is, I think most of your rail volume business is concentrated on traffic between Gujarat, and JNPT as well. The TKD terminal is essentially in central Delhi where the surcharge has been introduced. But overall, I want to understand, as the economy as well is improving, on ground, all the companies that we've been speaking to, right from Tata Steel to perhaps a smaller infrastructure company, all of them are saying that, look, things are looking great. Indian economy is picking up. Have you as well been seeing a sort of improvement across India? Now, of course, you have this better pricing as well. So overall, do you think that we could see some benefit on your top line, on your margins as well? Can we expect a sequential improvement?
Yeah, see, the volumes, as I said, have started coming back, and we already have in the rail business volumes which were pre-COVID level. And the visibility is that the volumes will increase going forward. So definitely we are looking for an upside on the volumes as well as our revenue. As far as this the charge for Central Delhi for Tughlakabad is concerned, that is purely Concor related. It has nothing to do with other container operators.
Understood. Okay, Mr. Gupta, many thanks for joining us today on ET Now, and all the very best, for business going forward.